Ridiculous. I can't take
him
it.
cute. He looks like Gerald from Hey Arnold. His hair was tall.
He does.
True.
Yo, that was so racist. Gerald was a typical black kid.
Yeah, it was really racist. The 90s.
Like he's like, what do you mean? What do you mean that I haven't? What was my childhood like? That was fucked up. Everyone's childhood was fucked up. It's the 90s.
The 90s was like an era like
I love my hair. More
like
than life.
there was like Desert Storm in like '93 or whatever, but like besides that there were like no wars up until 2001. You know what I mean? Like it was
Because
crazy.
goddamn
were
Bill
rolling in
Clinton was a
dough.
bouse.
We were rolling in dough.
Bill Clinton wasn't a
had
boss.
No,
Dude,
but we
Bill
did have a
Clinton
lot
was
of
in
money.
the black for the
Our
first time
parents had
since.
a lot of
I
money.
know he
Andrew
was,
Jackson.
but Bill.
We were never technically out of debt.
Yeah.
No.
He had us on
balanced
the
the
no.
budget.
He
He
had
balanced
the
the
budget.
budget.
He had
We
us
were
in
never-
the black.
We
felt.
were never. I asked my teacher specifically this. I said, "Were we ever?" He said, "No, we've never been out of debt since
Yeah.
like before World
No,
War
but we
II.
felt
We've
like we
always
were.
been.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
The budget
It
was
was
balanced.
irresponsible.
We were on the path
But he
to
should have
getting
went
out
to
of debt,
Rwanda.
but we
He should have
fucked
went
it
to
up.
Rwanda. He should have helped those people out.
Yeah.
Dude.